pink and white theme. Just kind of goes with my backdrop. Oh my god. Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my fall or autumn favorites. There's going to be a mix of everything here that I've been loving. Not so much beauty products, just literally everything and anything. Before we get started, I feel like I have to point out that I have a horrible plaster on my finger, and just to get it out there, I had a little accident at home last week. I had acrylic nails on and literally opened the oven fan, and the cover of the fan fell down on top of me, and somehow my nail got caught underneath and literally ripped it out. It was horrific. I'm on the mend, but I just felt like I should point out this horrible ugly looking plaster that's on my finger. I will survive, yeah. I'm gonna stop blabbing now and I'm gonna get into the video. First thing I've been absolutely loving is I was like, if I'm going into another lockdown, I have to have cozy PJs. That's the one thing I love at this time of year. It's cozy PJs. So I didn't actually make it to Primark, but I picked these up in an Irish store called Dunnes. So if you're Irish, you will know of it. And I just thought these were so super cute. They're so cozy. They were only a tenner, and I got size small, which would be more like a 10, like a UK size 10. Like literally you can live in them, which I probably will more than likely live in them. I have a little obsession with candles, and I think that's come from my mom. Growing up, the house was always filled with these beautiful candles and she always had them lighting. So I think I grew up with that in me, and I just always had a love for candles and pretty smelling things. And I think my fiance has also found a love for candles, so we go through a lot of candles. So I found a cheaper alternative, and that is wax melts. I love these so much. So you have your tea light underneath, and then you have the little kind of a mouth on top where you pour your oil or your wax melts into, and the heat of the tea light will melt the wax melts down, and voila, you'll have a beautiful smelling room. And I just feel they last so much longer than a candle, and also so much cheaper. So these ones were only €1, and you have like a good amount in there. You just break them off, and you can also separate them out if you want, you know, to pick up a couple of different oil burners and put them into different rooms. And you can pick them up quite cheap, and we got ours in the €2 shop or something like that, like so super cheap. And then you can also get some autumnal, I always say autumnal, it's autumnal flavors. You can also get some autumnal scents as well. So I got cinnamon. This one is actually from Dunnes, and they're made in Ireland. These ones are a little bit more, I'm not even going to say expensive, they just cost a little bit more. They were $2.50, which is like you're getting way less than you would in the regular size one. So this one was €1, this one was $2.50, but oh my god, it smells absolutely sensational. It's a cinnamon smell, and I just love cinnamon for like autumn winter time. I've been loving these light up mirrors from Fancy. This one's called Nala. It has 2 different parts. It has 3 light settings, so light, warm and neutral. It's a rechargeable mirror, so you can plug it into the wall or you can plug it into your laptop to charge it. So it comes in like 2 different parts like this, and this is basically just a magnet, so it goes in like that. So easy to put together and perfect for traveling as well. But it's also got like the port here for charging. So yeah, really cute, and I just love the rose gold detailing. I just think it looks so cute on my dressing table, and it looks great with my kind of pink and white theme going on. This is not sponsored by Fancy or anything like that. They're just a really small company, and I just love to support them. They have sent me down loads of their mirrors. It's owned by 2 lovely ladies. Mandy I know really well, we chat all the time, and she's so lovely, and I just really want to support them because they are a small brand, up and coming. They're amazing, they're such good people, and their mirrors are absolutely fantastic and so affordable as well, so I just really wanted to give them a shout out. The next product I've been loving is the Smile Secret Whitening Kit. So this is actually from a German brand, I believe, 100% natural ingredients. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and can I just say that after the first use I was hooked. I could see the difference instantly. It comes with 3 whitening pens, so this one is unopened. So my partner is using one and I'm using one. So I've been using it now for about maybe 2 months, and I'm not anywhere near the end of the first pen, which is amazing because I had I Smile before and it really didn't last. You had these tiny little injections, and I think I got about 2 or 3 uses max from those tiny little injections. So I really didn't get a lot out of the product. I use it about 2 times a week, which I think is enough for me just to maintain a white smile. But I think if I used it maybe more times a week, I would have like a really gleaming smile. But I think twice a week for me is perfect. Then you literally just plug it into your phone, you paint the product onto your teeth with your pen, and then you pop it into your mouth and you turn it on. It's timed for 15 minutes, so you can pop your phone into your pocket and do a little bit of housework or whatnot, and then it will beep and turn itself off after the 15 minutes, and you can go brush your teeth. And oh my god, the results after 1 use is incredible. My teeth were so glossy and so clean. Like, saw the results instantly, which is always a plus with these whitening products. And it's not a bit painful, not at all, doesn't sting, doesn't irritate my gums or make my teeth sensitive in any way. My teeth were sore for days after the one that my dentist gave me, so I cannot use that. And a lot of the strips ones make my teeth and gums even really sensitive as well. So I really like this product, really gentle, 100% natural ingredients. It's easy to use, it's quick, and results are instant as well. And the main thing is it doesn't hurt at all, which is great. In my last video, I shared with you the top 5 books that changed my life. And in that video, I mentioned the book Good Vibes, Good Life, and I told you that I was going to order a hard copy of the book, and I did, and I got it on Amazon. It was only about £8 or £9 with free delivery on Prime. I don't know if you can see it because it's so white, but yeah, I got the hard copy. I read the audiobook like 4 times, and now I'm halfway through this book already. It's the perfect read in the morning just to set you up for the day. It's really positive, really beautiful, and it's just one of my all-time favorite books. So I just thought I'd mention this in this video because it's something that I've been reading consistently each morning. And lastly, but definitely not least, I want to mention these beautiful frames. Now, I'm going to butcher the name, but I'm going to give it a go. Desenio. Something like that. But they sell these beautiful frames. So I have a couple of black and white ones. I have the Coco Chanel and I have the Marilyn Monroe. And then I also have 2 more behind me here. One is a quote and then one is just a bottle of perfume, but the pink and white theme just kind of goes with my backdrop. So they sell the frames and the pictures separately on the website. So you go in, you decide what color frame you want and what size you want. They literally have from really small to really big. You can see you have a nice little small one here, and they look amazing together. Like, you can put like a little artwork on your wall. It's great for like your beauty room, or if you just want like a nice little backdrop like this. They sell the pictures and the frames separately on the website, which some people don't realize. So you can pick up a couple of pictures on their own if you have the frames already and you just kind of want to mix up what you already have, or if you just want to pick up a couple of frames. You may recognize these from my fashion videos because I also bring them into my living room and pop them in the back as a cute little backdrop or display while I'm doing my fashion videos. So I really get so much use out of them. I just think they're so beautiful. I wish I had more so I could leave them in my living room permanently, so I will probably pick up more, but they're such amazing ones to choose from. Like, literally anything you want, they have it. So that is pretty much it for my current fall favorites. Let me know what items or products you're loving in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!